Hello, everyone. Are you wondering if dogs can eat stew? Let's explore. Dogs can eat some types of stew, but it depends on the ingredients. Most human stews contain harmful ingredients like onions, garlic, and too much salt, which can cause digestive problems and even toxicity in dogs. However, a simple stew made with plain, dog-safe ingredients like lean meats, chicken, beef, or turkey, and vegetables, carrots, peas, or green beans, can be a healthy and nutritious option for your dog. When preparing a stew for your dog, make sure there are no added seasonings and avoid ingredients like onions, garlic, and rich gravies. Stick to simple, dog-friendly recipes to ensure their meal is both safe and nutritious. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.